Welcome back. If I'm audible, please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is going to be a subtle session of 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm not going to cover this topic in a hurry. Why? Because you are going to jump to a broader level through this chapter. I hope everybody is having can easily see on their screen that financial statement analysis is written as a new topic. What I'm going to do is to give you a brief about the management accounting as well as why financial statement analysis and tools are required in order to do that accounting part. You have done bookkeeping part till date where you have uh, prepared the original book of account, that is journal, then the posting of entries in the ledger is required. The third stage is summarizing those ledger balances by balancing them and closing them in the trial balance. The trial balance checks the arithmetical accuracy of the work that you have done till date by vouching, journalizing, posting, etc. After that, you are going to prepare the financial statement. Now, please listen these next few lines very carefully. As a sole proprietor or a partnership cards, as per the horizontal format we have studied, will be more feasible for all. But when you are running a company and you are going to file, or if you are going to publish them in their annual proper vertical format as per Schedule 6 revised, its further amendments in 2018-19, that particular format in order to bring analysis of these statements. So you must have understood the preparation of records for proprietorship, partnership, or joint stock companies. Different, the funding is different, is same that you are doing bookkeeping by now. You have prepared your financial statement, then proper this particular theoretical chapter that is in comes into picture. What is meant by in a hurry? Because it is something which will allow. First is whenever you then what will happen that its critical is inside, then it will be internal auditing, but it mandated by the government. So financial statement is required. That is why we can say that through the figures, and it is required that somebody is going to check the account, or somebody is going to analyze it. Is required that but the concept of financial statement, I have already provided you the link. You can go through these basic pages what I have taught, because these 5 to 20 pages required. You need not mug these pages. You are a proper reading of these pages is sufficient. Continue with classes from Monday. One like profit and loss statement, balance sheet is prepared. Only the one who is required, or who is maybe well versed, or maybe the detail of these state background, maybe the owner, maybe the investor, maybe the future the profit or profitability of the enterprise. So information to the investors or prospective investors, that a proper decision making can be done. When financial statement is largely based on bringing figures mentioned in the financial statement. They give you otherwise are not obvious. We are going to perform ratio analysis. Several ratios will bring out the operational efficiency or solvency by just looking at the statements. And analysis, first is it the financial statement. The secondly is the value, but actually it does or strong point of the business. It profit and loss into several categories, into several ratios in a very simplest manner will statement. So you can easily increase, decrease the percentage change of increase or sales or in profit values. Future planning can be done. This allow you to possible that you are having 2019 in for 2021 financial performance within your enterprise. It is also possible that companies be financial information and is next is the use of this financial, that if you are going to invest in share of any company, if you are going by the book, if you are analysis, if you are going by the chart, other information based on stock exchanges, then it will be technical analysis. Second, suppose you are an investor, if you are the, before providing any loan further, financial health of that particular enterprise, say A. If the Jay Mallya or Nirav Modi are, and if your bank or then you will be held liable for the malpractices. If you are investing in enterprises, if you are providing its financial or credit analysis, fund flow, cash flow statements, these tools will help you to and well. And even if you are going to, as a capital budgeting, in order to pay up, go through these financial due diligence figure, which is credit analysis, a proper debt analysis, a proper dividend decision making, aware that we are not dividend to our shareholder, we will not be able to sustain further. We will our operations will be ruined, like in case of Anil, I'm not being able to, and then how the company shareholders who shares maybe substantially from the company share from the company will not pay the EMIs or the interest obligation us as a shareholder. So credit and investment decisions, journal business decisions, analysis of financial statement. Very basic information, and information will help you to write pages and pages in your daily. Like what are the, if you are an investor, before making an investment, you are going to reports based on analysis of financial statement from, or maybe from investment or financial experts, and after reading those any enterprises, ask for substantial business, if there any modernization replace for expansion of business, obviously your these analysis will give you the complete able to sustain kind of expansion or not. What is the debacle of the Reliance companies expanded so vastly, they are ultimately debt burden, creditors, broker houses, financial investors, prospective shareholders, all others you have studied in chapter that maybe they are in need of these. So what these statements, as well as external stake of analyzing financial statements, quality of the business. If you are going to business, okay, the present profit and such figure, but what is going to its profitability, its growth, dependent on the past figures, but entirely dependent on past figures. We have seen that you cannot predict the future entirely on the basis very robust in its growth in 2000. Just have even imagined in our year for everyone. So share has fallen substantially and fundamentals are strong. It is going to be, it will be a V curve or it will be a immediate bounce back. Second is we want to know sheet. For that you are going to vertical form of balance sheet, so and be read. For that, you of your choice, go through the download report of that particular enterprise and arrive at the format mentioned in that in the month of March. That we are going to have a classification of going to get liquidity, solvency, efficiency kind of information from different are going to start it from Monday. What's financial statement? It is not only that we collect our money from our debtors on time or maybe debt obligation, about the trend of the business, to know about our debt public by issuing shares, or how well the public is going to receive our other financial and non-financial information. If it should report its shareholder consent, the government is what is going to do. The every public and will rely on the information supplied by that credit worthiness will enhance. So it is statements are published so that doing every bit and we are sincere. But there is limitation on these limitations are not different financial accounting that we have studied in chapter 1. If you have incomplete information, you cannot or you may not be able to. Typical example, when Jet Airways, there was no publication of information. Everybody knows that operate in different routes. Employees were in distress. There were bad news outcome. There was no information, there was no publication of financial statements. So proper financial statements give to the registrar of companies. Satyam case we have discussed in present cases. If there is window dressing, manipulating the figures of the window dressing is there, if the then if the informer, this is the limitation of financial statement to the stakeholders. Even the expert can analyze incomplete or the manipulated information if the information have comparability. You cannot start up with Tata TCS company. You cannot the information is incomplete if you cannot have comparison between two companies. You cannot have comparison. All these things are limitations. Say 10 years. You cannot claim that next show you the same results because financial state complete in itself. You cannot have historic cannot repeat itself in case of the factors like economic factors or not performing well in any situation, like benefited in case of corona, but having the brunt of demonetization, so covered by any chain of events happen. So what I have tried to acquire, there are several tools like trend analysis, analysis, common size statement, comparative analysis. This analysis can be done in two manner. One is about the depiction of financial statement. 16 records with 2008, you are comparing it horizontally. Records in a vertical manner, that means you either what percentage the cash percentage of current life typically within the same year. So horizontal manner when we compare basis or in a particularly or the figures of 1 year only. I've tried up to you to read this section in the next week, but don't go by the CT, go for your final. Plan your semester in semester exams and not will be of only 15 constitute all these things. So plan in month of March, but from Monday on of both the subjects. By cash flow statements and left or maybe left uncovered. Perform practice numerical week. Have out one by one so that I can.
Sir, now may I call you regarding. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello. Hello.